Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're getting into the season where people are going to buy gifts, are getting gifts, and are, of course, and making themselves a gift. And some of you, of course, will be probably looking into buying a new computer. Now, there's one big rule as a tech guy that I have to mention about a new computer, whether it's a desktop, a laptop, whatever brand, even on if you buy a Mac, an Apple Mac computer, a MacBook, there is one single rule that is extremely important once you go home and start using your laptop. So first of all, don't install tons of software that are useless and cleaners. That is completely useless. You're wasting time. But the biggest thing about it is probably the one that's going to save you headaches and trouble over time. Although the majority of computers that you will purchase out there are fine and will work great for years, there's a percentage of them that might have a glitch. It could be one in a lot of, thousands that have been made that has a glitch in it, maybe a hardware problem. It could be a complete line. I've seen that as a tech guy, a complete line of a specific model from a company that is all flawed. So whatever brand you're going to buy, HP, Dell, Lenovo, Asus, and so on, Acer, if it starts to blue screen or freeze within the first couple of weeks that you own it, it's important to return it. Don't try to find somebody to fix it. Don't try to have it fixed, and do tell whoever you purchased it from that you do not want it fixed. You want a complete replacement, because this is a problematic computer. You see it immediately. Over the 15 years of tech guy duties, what happened is I could see from the start PCs that were problematic. And when you have a PC that is like that, freezes all the time and so on, don't start, trying to update everything. Return it. It's not supposed to be like that out of the box. That's it. And you will save yourself headaches, because most of the time when that happens, it means that that computer is going to be hell, basically. It's going to be a problem for all the time you're going to own it and you're going to want to use it. It usually shows within the first couple of weeks. So that is the most important tip, I think, for any new PC that you will bring back home. Make sure that it works right. No, it's not normal that Windows freezes. No, it's not normal if maybe the salesman is going to tell you, oh, well, it's Windows, it freezes from time to time. No, it doesn't. It doesn't freeze at all. A computer should not freeze, and no, Windows does not freeze, nor does it blue screen, unless there's major issues with the computer itself. So it's extremely important to know this, and it's extremely important to take it back if it does that. It's something, unfortunately, a lot of people think, well, it's normal, it's Windows. No, it's not. It shouldn't, and it doesn't. So this is the number one tip, I think, for anybody bringing home a new computer. Do not accept the fact that it would freeze or blue screen from the start. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.